Hi, unboxing of an Asus 802.11ac router. As you probably know, that is the latest wireless standard. It's much faster than 802.111n. I decided to test a router like that. I bought a dedicated wireless card as well, even though I've got a laptop that supports this standard still. It is a good idea to get a card like that and test it using a device like that. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, it's boxed. Here is our router. Yeah, can get rid of that one, and here you can see that straight away. We've got USB ports, a WAN port, and 4 LAN ports. CD that we're not going to use. Well, I can be a VIP member. Cool. And a small book. It's like 200 pages, but probably 25 languages. We'll have to check the default IP address. However, when we connect it to a laptop, that should be okay. Let's see what we've got here. It should be a power supply. Yeah, it's a really small one. Yeah, it should go that way. There we go. And it goes in here. There is a power switch, ports, WAN port, and LAN ports. And we should get some lights in here. There we go.